Markowski from pandastockpicks.com, and today is April the 25th, and this is for my SPY trade, Iron Condor for May, that I have posted and entered into exactly 2 weeks ago on the 11th. We entered in at a credit of 49 cents. I exited just now at a final debit of 12 cents. No, sorry, 37 cents for a final debit of 12 cents. So I got in at 49 cents, sold out at 37 cents for a profit of 7.947%. So just under 8% gain in 2 weeks. And the reason why I exited out of this trade early was because, well, right here you can see is the 11th here on this, where my cursor is here, and I got in at an average price, well, when the price was at 35, and then at the next week it made a strong move up, and then this past week, late last week, it made another huge move up. So I just would rather take my 8% profit now than risk having a big move up here than having to wait to in hopes for time decay, because I have a break-even point here. I had a break-even point of 145, but the closer it gets up to 140 and above, then the less room we have for error, or given the time. So anyway, I just made a decision to exit out of this trade for an 8% profit, and that took 2 weeks to happen. Mind you, I have two other trades open. I have a DIA trade and another SPY trade for profits of 11%, and the other one is positioned nicely for 8%, and those are fine to expire, worthless. I'm not worried about those at all because I have an even wider range. So, but this one I just wanted to get my profits on this one, and that's fine because we still have another 3 weeks left to expiration. I'm looking to enter into another trade, looking to make about 5 or 6%, which is not bad because I'm making, on this one I made 8% in 2 weeks, and then I have, if I enter into one today for a small but almost sure bet of a 5% profit, well, then that 5% added to the 8% that I made today, it's not bad at all. That's looking at 13% right there. So, and at my specific Iron Condor strategy, I find superior than other Iron Condor services out there, and I'm just excited because I'm realizing the secrets of how to make this work, and how to do it right and not to take on a narrow of a spread, and how to get out in time. And anyway, if you follow my service, you'll be making pretty good money. So 10%, if you have 100 grand available, you make easy 10,000 a month. Okay, it all depends on how much you have. For me, I'm putting in 20 to 25,000 per position. So for this particular Iron Condor that I just exited out, I made 1,500 in 2 weeks. So I'm going to enter another one and see if I can get another 1,000 profit out of another Iron Condor trade with a little lower spread. Lower spreads usually indicate lower potential profit, but also a very high probability of success. And for me, I like that because I can sleep very well at night, knowing that the range of the price movement in the index can be very large. And anyway, I just wanted to give this update on the trade. I got out right here because here it looks like we're getting a bull flag pattern here out of the overall uptrend here. You know how over the past month we've been moving up, and here there was a down consolidation move, which is a flagpole pattern. So this is an overall bull trend up, and then here we have a bull flag. So, and it has traded out of this range now, and I wouldn't be surprised for a break of this 140 level. So that was the reason why I just wanted to get out. I don't know what the market is going to do really. It can pop up here to this 200-day moving average at about 143.5 on the SPY, or it can drop down. And then of course if it drops down, then my early exit on this trade would have been too prudent, because I would have given up a lot more profits. I could have got easily another 8% if it drops down back to my entry at 135. But hey, I made the decision, pocket 8% right now, rather than risk a potential move up, which would nullify any of my profits that I made. So, but I'm glad that I entered into this trade. At the time it was 135. I had break-even points 10 points above, but in those 2 weeks it did move up 5 points. So sometimes prudent entries are best in markets where uncertainty still abounds, and uncertainty does seem to abound here, but the overall trend is up. And, well, thanks for watching. I'll post another video when I enter into another trade. I'm looking to enter into one here in the next couple hours. I'm going to look very much so this afternoon for a high probability trade, and I'm looking to enter that before the close today. Get some time decay value working for my position, as it'll decay in value over the weekend. So have a good day. Until next time.